Apa kabar Indonesia? This is Addie here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Quite excited guys today, so I'm here with a new artist, new song. So today I am going to react on something called Jamrud Ningrat. I'm sorry if that makes sense, like my pronunciation. I know my Indonesian words are not fluent, but but I really love the language. It's beautiful language, beautiful people, lovely people. You guys have been watching my videos and it feels really amazing. So this is from the YouTube channel Sounds from the Corner. There are so many artists who have been there, and I think wanted to check out some songs of Jamrud. It's Ningrat, and it was performed on 2nd of February 2020. So I cannot tell much about the artist or the song because this is the first time. Actually, I was looking for some new artists, and then I came across this one, and I thought like, okay, let me check it out and make a reaction video, because you guys are always there to help me out to understand and tell me more about the artist. So it will be really helpful guys if you can please let me know in the comment section about more about the artist and the songs he makes, and in case if they have a translation, it will be really happy in case they don't have a translation, and I'm sure that you guys are there to help me out in that. Sorry, I'm not giving you work, just in case if you want to tell me something about the song, and if you think that I missed some important part of the song, feel free to let me know in the comment section, only if you have time or if you really are not lazy enough to type. Okay, so guys, and in case if you are here in my channel for the first time, I am Eddie, and this is my YouTube channel where I do reaction, where I make reaction videos on various topics of music, culture, travel, and blah 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 blah. So without wasting much time guys, let's check it out. We are ready guys. Rock. Is it rock band?
Matahari kamu gak jauh beda. Eta pakenannya silsilah golongan darah.
These vocals, it's amazing man, the vocals.
Biar otumu senang, paklemu senang, budemu senang. Ku ikut aja, cengar-cengir, mirip ajis di sawah. Mana Bo? Bo Ajis?
Itu pelecehan, masa mirip Ajis di sawah.
Ajis di sawah, masalahnya yang ngisi suara kerbaunya Ajis.
Oh ya?
Ayo Bo.
Oh.
Nah,
Gak mirip kan? Gak mirip kan? Mirip. Oh ya udah toh, bikin lagu kebo lagi aja.
Oke Bo.
Sound of a cow?
Oke, suaranya ya.
Not sure. Wow.
Oke, mana ketawanya?
This is really interesting. Honestly guys, feels really good to come up with new artists all the time, hearing new sounds, new ways of expressing. Every band tries their best way to come up with something unique and different, and I really loved especially this man's vocals. Whoa, this is fantastic. Loved every bit of it as of now.
Lebih itu wes rambutnya dawa, badannya tatoan, pakaiannya serabut. Dasar wong edan, edan.
It's a very positive song, guys. Really love it.
Ya 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 ya. Ya 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 ya. Eta ya 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 ya.
This is they have a very unique sound, I must admit that.
Ternyata benar belum ngantuk. Baru percaya.
I liked it, man. This is a very beautiful song. Oh, every band comes up with a unique sound, and today what we realized, they came up with a very different way of singing, and it's kind of a rock, but they have an intro is very different. They were talking about a lot of stories behind the band scenes or about the band members, but that was really funny, to be honest, and everyone was singing along with it. So when you look at the crowd, when all are cheering and singing along with the vocalist, so it just means that they already know about what he is doing, and this is amazing, and this is how you connect to your fan. But someone who listening to them for the first time, as a neutral viewer, for me also, I really enjoyed the song. I won't mind listening to this again and again. Forget about the lyrics, because I don't understand most of the languages of the songs that I do reaction of, but that doesn't really matter to me. For me it's always music that comes first and lyrics is secondary. But I'm not saying that lyrics doesn't mean, but someone who doesn't understand the language, but still what he can do, he can just admire the music, right? That's what I do as a music lover. So it is a great feeling to experience a new amazing band again from Indonesia, the land of beautiful islands and amazing people and amazing musicians. So what do you think about this song, guys? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you feel like supporting me, you can always donate or be a part of my channel. I will be really grateful. Or if you want to check out my other channels, the links are given down in the below. You can always have a look at it. So guys, I'll be back again with another video. Until then, guys, take care, stay safe, namaste, and you know what, stay metal.